Hello everyone, today we have a PlayStation 5 that came in with a damaged fan connector. So basically what happened here, the customer tried to clean up the fan and unfortunately he damaged the connector. Now I said I will make a quick video just to show you how this connector can be fixed, which actually it is a very common problem. I don't know, the build of that connector, like how it was designed, it looks like it is a very weak connection there, and even myself, I had maybe 2 times when I managed to break the connector while I was doing different repairs, like HDMI ports or even like a cleanup of the PlayStations. And yeah, unfortunately it is what it is and we have to fix it. I will open it up. Quite easy. So this is the console. Okay. Yeah. This is the back cover, it's out. Put everything here. Camera is not focusing properly, but I haven't done a video in a long time and all my setup it's a bit different now. Anyway, doesn't matter. The point is to show you how to fix this connector, or how I am fixing this connector. Yeah, so now I'm going to proceed by removing this whole cover to get inside here to the connector. As you can see, it is very damaged. It doesn't look great, to be honest. Okay. So it seems like we will have some fun by fixing this guy here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we have the disc unit out. Put it aside. And now we proceed by removing this top cover. Have this nice drill. Maybe this one is not the same. It's T10. Actually, I need T9. Yeah, T9. To focus, let's see. Oh, cool. Just for a moment, hope it's better now. And the best part, never void a warranty, okay? Oh, sorry. I voided, unfortunately. Is there any other screw? No. Okay, I will put the screw safe here. This looks like this. Come on, focus. Anyway, made already an idea what's about. Completely damaged. Have it out. Did here safe so I won't lose it, together with my mix of screws. Okay. Okay, so we have this opened. Let's see, we have. Let's see. You see what is there? Yeah, I will have to go under the microscope to inspect it better. Just a moment to change to the microscope. Yeah. There is the problem. Put a bit more light. Yeah. Actually, it's not too bad. But it could be worse. But what can we do? Yeah. So this ground is broken, but I just put it in place back here. This one it's okay, and I will actually have to tweak these two so I can properly see the connector. Okay. Put a little bit of flux. Some solder. Now a bit of wick. Same on the other side. To fix my microscope camera because I see it's a bit freezing. As I said, I haven't recorded a video for quite a long time and not the best setup at the moment. I will fix it. Problem. Okay, so yeah, we have the parts ready to install the connector. Yeah, you see this little track goes to the side. Okay. Let's see this guy. Not too bad, is it? No, it's not bad at all. Got a bit of flux again. Just have to be careful with that capacitor. Yeah. Just put it a little bit of solder, and now I go on the other side. Just to keep it in place, I put it like that. Perfect. And now I go on this side somehow. Let's find a good angle. I am very sorry about the camera. I don't know why it's facing like this, the microscope camera. Have to check it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, the sides, as you can see, they're steady enough. Okay. Okay. I don't really mind if I put a bit more solder. At the same time, I have to make sure that it's a strong connection, which it is. Okay. Almost there. Don't want to forget about this little capacitor here. Okay. And now we are starting by doing the tracks. We're making the tracks. we can in a little bit more. Find the best position. Okay, so ground is ground. Not huge problem on the ground. Okay. Good enough. Just gonna change the blade. This is not great. Okay, so those sides are ready. And about this one here, oh sorry, about this one here, that needs to disappear, and I will come with a wire from this to this. From the capacitor itself, I think it's much better. I think you can see okay. Okay. Nice. A nice bridge there. Another one there. It's steady connection. Now I just get ready the wire so I can install it. Okay. Make a very strong connection here. And now we will get ready the wire. And we go something like that. Sorry, I'm just gonna pause the video. I'm back. Just gonna put that little jumper properly in place. Okay. And now just a little bit of cleanup. And we're ready to go. Just gonna make a stronger connection on this wire. Beautiful. Yeah, so that's it. We have a very nice connection, probably even stronger than the factory. The sides, I made a bigger connection, the sides. And basically it will look like this. And now we will we put everything back, make a quick test, and that's it. I'm just cleaning up, a little bit of the cover. Okay. quick into the fan. Actually, I got a set like this from Temu. I used this one probably for the past 6 months with no issues, no issues at all. Now I see it's a bit worn. I remember I bought 2 sets, but I'm left with only one that I can find. So it's time to get again. Yeah, I noticed that some things from Temu, they are not like, you know, they're not so bad. They do the job. Like. If you're wondering why I'm not testing it, it's just because I need to rush a little bit. Customer is coming shortly, and also I'm quite confident that it will work. Because I fixed a lot of them and yeah. Just getting ready the power cable. And don't want to forget about this guy here, the Blu-ray. And yeah, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. As you can see, it's spinning. So yeah, this is ready. I will stop the video now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and hopefully see you in the next one. And I'm very sorry again that I haven't added a new video in a long time, but it's just I'm quite busy, and also my setup, I need to remake my whole setup here with the cameras, everything, so I can record good quality videos. Yeah, so have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye.